Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can draw this Android's logo in AutoCAD. First of all, we'll put this image into our workspace to be our work much faster and easier. Before every single drawing, as you know already, we need to take care of the units. For this one, we will apply the units command. And it will appear here a window full of options. So we will let here in decimal. The precision now we can let it just with 2 decimals, it is fine. The international system, it's also fine. The insertion scale, in our case, we can let it just in centimeters or in millimeters because there is a small drawing, it doesn't matter. Decimal degrees, we will let it like this. Precision, we can add also 1 decimal. And we will let the clockwise unchecked. And we'll press OK after that. Let's start with this circle right here. So we will construct a circle with the radius of 25 units, but we will start exactly from the origin. So for this one, we will write circle 0, 0 to start from the origin, as you see, and we will write 25 units and press enter. And now let's apply the line command. Line, and construct a line with a distance of 50 units and press enter. Now let's move this line. So select the line, move command, pick the center here, the green triangle, and place it exactly in the origin or in the center of the circle. If you cannot find where is the center of the circle, just write these settings and it will appear another window and you should check what you need. For example, I need the midpoint, I need the center, I need the quadrant and the intersection and the perpendicular also. So just check what you need and then press OK. Good, and now let's select the entire drawing and press trim command. And let's trim the other part. Good, now let's focus here on the sides. So we will construct now exactly half and then we will mirror it. But first, let's build this circle. So we have here a circle with a diameter of 5 units, and to find the center, we will construct a rectangle. But a rectangle starting from this point, so from 0, 0, from the origin actually. And it has the dimensions 14 here and here just 11, as you see. So let's get started. Rectangle 0, 0 to start from the origin, as I said. The first dimension, it will be 11 tab 14. Good. And from this point we will construct our circle. So write circle, select this point and write D from diameter 5. Now we can delete this rectangle. Let's construct now another line. 0, 0 to start exactly from the origin, and it doesn't matter the size. Now let's build a rectangle. But we will start from a random point here, and the dimensions will be very important. So the first one, it will be 8 tab, let's say 30, because we need to reach this point here, and here we have a distance of 8 units and it isn't a strict line, so we need to work through a rectangle. And now, as you see here, we have an angle of 30 units. For this we will draw another line starting from this point, but we need to construct also a line here of a distance of 30 units. So let's go back, write line starting from this point, press the Alt key, 13 tab, and as you see here we have 30, here it will be 60 and 90, so our angle it will be 60 in our case, and write 60. And let's have a little test. Measure down, enter, right angle, and let's select these 2 lines, and it is exactly 30 units. Let's delete this line and this rectangle also because we don't need them anymore. Offset, and we will offset this line with 1.5 units. And here at the other side we will have an arch, but we will construct this arch through the fillet command, and we will apply the radius 0.6. But first of all, the offset command to have the parallel line. So offset 1.5 units, select this line and put it in the other direction. And now let's apply the fillet, air from radius 0.6 units. Okay, and here it is. Now select this part, trim command, and trim this part too. Good, and now because we have these ones, we can use a mirror command. Enter, and go from the origin, straight from the origin. Erase source object, no. And here it is. Now select also this part, trim, and trim this part. Good. Now let's focus on the body of this logo. So we need to apply the offset command for a distance here of 3.8. So offset 3.8 units. And now offset again, but with 46 units for this time. So offset 46. Good. And let's construct now this side. So a line here, starting from here, and you can put it here, or you can write 46 units. And now let's focus on one leg. So to have this middle or the center of the circle, we'll construct from here a rectangle with the dimensions 12.75 and in this part 11. So rectangle, starting exactly from middle, as I said. First dimension, it will be 12.75 tab 11. From here, we will build the circle. So we need to have a circle with the diameter of 12.5 units. So write circle, select this point, D from diameter 12.5, and here it is. Now delete this part, apply the line command, and find a quadrant until the perpendicular. Copy this line again, put it in the other side, select this part, trim. Okay, and here it is. Now let's focus on the hand. To find the center of this circle, we'll construct a rectangle from the origin until here, and we will have the dimensions. Here it will be exactly half, so 32.1, and in the other direction we'll have 6.6. Rectangle command now, starting from the origin, so it will be 0, 0. The first dimension now, it will be 32.1 tab 6.6, and here we will have a circle with the radius of 3.6 units. So circle, enter, from this point 3.6 units. Let's delete now this rectangle. Let's copy it now, select it, copy it, and we'll copy with 30.8 units. Now let's apply the line command from one quadrant to the other. Copy this line with 3.6 times 2, so that means 7.2 units. Okay, select the entire part here, trim. Our hand now it's complete, but right now we are able to mirror these parts too. So mirror, select this part, so the arm, the leg now, and also this line. Enter, select the mirroring line. Now we'll construct it. Be sure you have the ortho command active, it's important, until here. Erase source object, no. And for the final step, we have to apply here the fillet. So we'll apply fillet, air from radius 2.5 units. We'll do it the same in the other direction. Fillet, air from radius 2.5. Select this leg, trim, and delete this part. And for an extra step, select the entire drawing and press join command to have one single boundary if it is possible. And here it is, our drawing now it's complete. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions, don't hesitate to let them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.